Hello everyone, have you heard that Arkham has launched an exchange? I have. So let's see what it is. So as we see, Arkham is just a simple exchange. It has chain data. Every other exchange has, as we saw, technical and fundamental. But this one has the on-chain data as well, so you can also do it very easily. You can also do the KYC, so everything in the screen, refer link in the description. So it isn't a big deal. I think it is just a normal exchange for view, but you can also get on-chain data that makes it special. So you can do a transaction and then withdraw your assets, but I prefer swaps over this exchange, so I will not recommend. If it was a decentralized, I would have, but it isn't, so I will skip this thing. So I hope you all understand it. Have a good day, see you all around, and referral links are in the description. I check out the GitIO as well, and I will prefer decentralizations in wallets, as we saw by hacks, so don't get yourself stuck in these kind of things as well. Have a good day. Bye bye.